Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be just a kind of quick, short, and easy tutorial. I'm actually going to start linking these all as mini tutorials. Because the way that I film these videos, I'm actually going to say this again later just to re-push my point, and I'm just letting you know now as kind of a warning, so to say, like an indicator. But yeah, if you want to know how I achieved this look using the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette, make sure to keep on looking or keep on watching this video. And then before I completely jump into the video, if you could do me a huge favor of clicking the thumbs up or like button, whatever it is on your device. Leave a comment below, or I mentioned a comment later in this that you could leave. And then always, of course, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you can keep on being notified about these videos being uploaded. So without further ado, let's go ahead and zoom in and start the eyes. So see you guys in like less than a second. Alrighty, y'all know the deal, the zoomed in face after everything is on, just because we skip the base all the time. Go ahead and take a crease brush like so, and for my transition color, I'm going to jump into Get It and just place that all over the crease. This is like the iconic, what's it called, color of this palette. So just going to go ahead and start placing that here and actually like immediately start rubbing it out. Not rubbing it out, but you know what I mean, like blending it out. Like almost immediately after pushing it down so that there's not too much of it on there. I'm going to leave this little space right here in my lid empty, just so I can place a lid color. Because I'm not going to do too many colors out of this palette today, because per usual I'm running late on time. So I'm going to try to make this as fast as possible. And this is going to be another one of my short mini videos, mini tutorials, as I'll say. I'm going to call all of my less than, equal to, or barely more than 10-minute videos mini tutorials, just because they're never going to be really anything too crazy, not going to be learning too much in them, just going to be quick doop, a quick look with that palette, just if you need something to go for that day. So now that that's all blended and kind of going, I'm going to go into the color Hennessy, and I'm just going to blend that only on the outer corner of the eye, just to add a little bit of definition and kind of bring some shape back to the eye. So using a small blending brush, I'm just going to be blending that right along the outer V. So then when you have all that blended, go ahead and take just a flat brush. Mine's kind of, need to straighten it. Go ahead and take a flat brush and jump into the color Casablanca and just place that right on that little section of lid that you left empty. And this is just gonna be like the lid color, because again, this is a basic look, quick, easy to do, nothing too major or extreme in today's makeup look, just because we want to keep it cute and classy. Again, I'm crunched on time, so I actually woke up super early to do this too. It's like 8 o'clock right now. Usually I don't even film until at least noon, so I'm gonna be wearing this all day. By all day I mean I won't be getting home until like 6 after I leave at 9, so that'll be fun. So yeah, Casablanca is like this really pretty cream shadow. It's like a gold, I want to say. I'm kind of just getting messy with it, but whatever. It's so pretty, that's okay. So pretty. Yeah, it's kind of like a gold, light brown kind of color that just makes your eyes look wet. That's why I love it, and why it's one of the most used shades in this palette that I have. There. And then to do our bottom, yeah, go ahead and take like another flat kind of brush to do the bottom. And you're just gonna place stuff like here on the outside and the inside. So I'm gonna place Get It on the outside right here, just to connect these two up against the lower lash line. And then also bringing it into the like inner section of it, just leaving the middle blank. Cleaning off that brush we just used, Gonna then jump into Casablanca and put that right in the middle of the lower lash line just to connect it and pretty much copy what's on top. Okay, so for, of course, you can't not have this. You have to have inner corner highlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the color Mirage, and I'm gonna, actually no, I'm gonna take the color Moroccan Spice. It's kind of like this white color, and I'm gonna place that as my inner corner highlight. It's like white with pink reflex in it. Made that a bit messy, so I'm gonna dust off the brush and blend out the outside of it. Right back in for the other eye. So tread very lightly with this color. It's very like everywhere and powdery, and it can easily get overwhelming. So learning from the first application, treading very lightly with Moroccan Ice, I think it's called? Yeah, Moroccan Ice, treading very lightly and placing it carefully in this inner corner. It's white, but it's like got a lot of pink shimmer in it, so it looks kind of pink, to be honest. 100% go with this look, but whatever. Something to offset the color. Just because we love an offset color. And just kind of blend it upwards into the eye and a little bit outward, adding a little bit more color and even dusting it off from time to time. Alright, so now that that is the eyes done, or that part of the eyes done, where is my mascara? Going in with the Grande Cosmetics mascara again. I really love this mascara, to be honest. I'm just going to apply this as a mascara. I'm noticing that this mascara is actually a lot stronger than I think it is, and it actually applies way more again than I think it does. So I'm gonna use a little bit today, not too many layers. Like, see, even like that, they're like super full and like huge. So just now touching up the outsides pretty much, trying to get rid of any clumps, because I don't really like a clumpy lash. I don't. And then just a little bit on the lower lashes. Just a little bit on the lower lashes, just to make it look right and not be too much. So yeah, that's essentially the eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom out, finish the video, and then whatever else. So to go ahead and finish up the lip, I'm just gonna throw on a quick gloss. This is the Fussy Gloss Bomb by Fenty Beauty. So then, of course, to set everything in place, I'm gonna go ahead and take the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. Alright, and just while this is drying, I'm just going to go ahead and do the outro. Thank you guys all so much for watching this video. I actually honestly really love using the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette. It's very simple. It's got a lot of neutral colors in it, so a lot of things can easily go together. A lot of looks can be created. If you want me to do more looks using this palette, just to kind of further convince you to buy it, go ahead and let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I will see you guys all next time. And again, thank you so much for watching this video. Peace.